In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add 3D Spatial Effect Wallpaper in iPhone iOS 26. First, make sure you are updated to the iOS 26. Once you check that, you can navigate to the settings. Then scroll down and head over to the option Wallpaper. Then click on the option Add New Wallpaper. Select the option of Photos. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the picture for your wallpaper. Make sure the picture is clear. Once you have selected the picture, now here you're going to find this special effect icon. Click on that. After you enable it, you can tilt your phone and you can see the change. Make sure to enable the special effect in all the wallpaper. After you enable it, it will work on almost all the pictures. And that's it. This is how you can easily use 3D Spatial Wallpaper effect in iOS 26. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.